I now invite Professor Yogendra Yadav to take his respected seat. I now invite Professor Mohammad Sajjad to take his respected seat. Good morning to the lovely audience present here. I am Firdaus, a research scholar at the Center of Advanced Study, Department of History. On behalf of the organizing team, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the inaugural session of the AMU lecture series. Today is not merely the beginning of an event, it is the beginning of an intellectual initiative that we hope will grow into a serious platform for dialogue, critical thinking and academic engagement. AMU Lecture Series is an independent student-led academic platform founded with the aim of fostering a vibrant culture of intellectual inquiry, critical thinking and meaningful dialogue. At a time when academic spaces are increasingly facing restrictions and dissent is often discouraged, this initiative seeks to reclaim the university's true spirit as a space for free thought, debate and reasoned discussion. The lecture series brings together distinguished scholars, public intellectuals and researchers to engage with urgent social, political and historical questions. More than just a program of talks, the AMU Lecture Series is a collective effort to strengthen democratic values, encourage informed discourse and inspire students to participate actively in shaping ideas in society. This lecture series has been founded to nurture an academic culture where debate is welcomed, where disagreement is respected and where ideas can be pursued without fear. The theme of today's inaugural session is the politics of othering, the enemy within, quote unquote, which will be discussed by Professor Mohammad Sajjad in greater detail. When I first thought of starting such an independent student platform, many people readily helped and greatly encouraged with all their energy. Among them, I would like to mention Mohammad Siddiqui, MA student at the Center for Political Studies, JNU, who readily helped and supported greatly for this initiative. It's now my honor to introduce our distinguished speakers for today's session. Our first keynote speaker is Professor Zoya Hasan, Professor Emerita at the Center for Political Studies, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. She served as the Dean of the School of Social Science, Jawaharlal Nehru University. Professor Hasan has made significant academic contributions to the understanding of Indian democracy, political parties, social justice, caste and minority politics, and the politics of inclusion. She has contributed to the academia with her multiple authored critical works. Among them are Politics of Inclusion, Caste, Minority and Affirmative Action. Then Unequal Citizens, a study of Muslim women in India. Then Politics and the State in India. Then Democracy and the Crisis of Inequality. Professor Hasan's work stands for academic integrity and democratic commitment. And it is a privilege for us to have her with us today for the inaugural session. Please have a big round of applause for her. Our second keynote speaker is Professor Yogendra Yadav, one of India's most prominent political scientists, psichologist, author and political activist. He served as a senior fellow at the Center of the Study of Developing Studies, CSDS, New Delhi. He was also the founder of the Lokniti, which is a research program on comparative democracy at CSDS and has played a key role in shaping the academic study of elections and democracy in India. He has been central to India's national election studies, one of the most important and rigorous research initiatives on electoral democracy in South Asia. He is also the author of multiple critical works which includes State of Democracy in South Asia, Crafting State Nations, then Making Sense of Indian Democracy Theory as Practice. His recent published work, Ganrajya Ka Swadharma, we sincerely hope to invite him again in one of our upcoming sessions for a focused discussion on this important work. He also served as Chief Advisor for the NCERT Political Science textbooks. Professor Yadav, we are truly honored to have you in our session. Please have a big round of applause for him. We have also Professor Mohammad Sajjad, Professor at the Center of Advanced Study, Department of History, Aligarh Muslim University, and he will be moderating today's inaugural lecture. Professor Sajjad is a leading historian whose scholarship focuses on modern Indian history, colonial
socio-political history of Muslims in North India. His works are recognized for its depth, honesty, and critical engagement with history as a discipline that speaks not only to the past but also to the present. His major works include Muslim politics in Bihar, changing contours, then contesting colonialism and separatism, Muslims of Muzaffarpur since 1857. Professor Sajjad, we are deeply honored by your presence today. Please have a big round of applause for Professor Sajjad. As we begin this journey, we would like to remind you this student platform is purely independent and we have no funding from any institute. So your contribution will greatly support us to sustain this initiative. A QR code will be circulated shortly and any contribution, no matter how modest, will greatly help us to sustain this AMU lecture series. I would also like to mention that Professor Rajiv Bhargava was initially going to join us for this inaugural session. However, due to an unavoidable and important prior engagement, at the last moment, he could not be with us today. He has kindly conveyed that he will certainly join us in one of our upcoming sessions and we look forward to welcoming him soon. Before we begin the lecture, we would like to present mementos to our esteemed guests as a token of gratitude and